job to support emotionally to boost up immune system. Second thing,
according to evidence-based medical research and my personal practice in the clinic, I like to give you 3 most important tips that you can apply on your life if you have any type of heart issue, heart disease, blood pressure, or any types of cardiac arrest. Number 1 is get rid of inflammation. Because according to Harvard Medical Research and according to Journal of Regenerative Medicine, the main problem, the main true reason for someone to get heart disease is inflammation in the heart, in the arteries. Because inflammation, the endothelial cell get damaged and it form plaque or arthroporosis in the artery. That is why you get high blood pressure or any types of heart diseases. So what causes that inflammation? All kind of toxicity developed from the processed food, excessive sugar or excessive carbohydrate goes there, makes the inflammation. So how can you get rid of inflammation? The most effective way, which is the number 1 tips, is plant-based diet. Because plant-based diet have a lot of nutrient, lot of fiber, lot of micronutrient, lot of antioxidant, and it has essential mineral that heart needs. Many research shows that if you have all kind of healthy plant-based diet, then you can not only prevent, you can completely reverse your heart disease. Dr. Dean Ornish and Dr. Cardwell, these two are 2 very famous cardiologists at this time. They studied on most difficult heart disease patient with a plant-based diet. And they found out that with the course of time, they completely reverse heart disease without any medication, only plant-based diet. Because the heart needs some food to regenerate and heal, and plant-based diet have them, like a mineral, like a micronutrient, like a fiber, like antioxidant. All the essential minerals are there. That is the nutrients develop the heart, heal the heart, and clean the heart, and make the reproduce the healthy heart. That's the number 1 tips. Number 2 is oxidative damage from excessive free radical. So we need to stop producing excessive free radical in the heart. That free radical damage, which is called oxidative damage. How can you get rid of that? So we need to know where it's coming from. This oxidative damage is coming from indigestion, maybe some kind of candida or yeast, or lack of acid, which is called acid reflux. Acid, because acidity is not too much acid, it's lack of acid actually. So acid reflux, indigestion, candida, yeast, fungus grow in the tummy, in the gut, that produce indigestion. Whenever indigestion, that makes your life stressful. So we need to get rid of indigestion. We need to chew food properly. We need to have right food, balanced, healthy diet. And if you do that, if you also do a healthy lifestyle, then you can stop producing free radical. Then you can get rid of oxidative damage, which is the number 2 things you can consider to get rid of health problem, all kind of heart issues. So how can we be a healthy lifestyle? As I said, chew food properly. As I said, have cardiac exercise, have a long sleep, like 8 to 10 hours sleep, and healthy routine, and chew food properly, and have a healthy diet. As I said, plant-based diet. So this is the number 2 tips, which is get a healthy lifestyle that can help you to get rid of all kind of oxidative damage. Number 3 is healthy fat consumption. A lot of people are concerned that they think that healthy fat might be harmful, which is not true. Actually, fat is the one producing energy. Fat is the one develop the brain. Fat is the one vitamin D, energy, hormone, and detox. So the major function in the body done by fat, because fat convert to fatty acid, and that produces all the necessary things human body needs. Because for instance, our cell membrane made of 50% fat, our brain made of 80% fat. You see, So fat is very important. So fatty food, especially omega-3 fatty acid, which is found in the nuts and beans and saltwater fish, those are the vital. And if you can have them enough healthy fatty acid or fatty food, you can have a healthy body, you can have a healthy heart, because that is the one who will be balancing your cholesterol. When you can balance your cholesterol, and that is gonna clean your heart, it's gonna rebuild your heart, and then there is no plaque atherosclerosis will be developed. People also scared that maybe fatty food come to the artery and develop plaque or atherosclerosis, which is possible only if you have too much carbohydrate or too much sugar. So if you don't have too much sugar consumption, if you don't eat a lot of carbohydrate, if you have a clean diet with a lot of healthy plant-based and with a healthy fat, then you will be able to balance your cholesterol. And many research support that actually. Brown University did a largest research. They found out that excessive fat consumption have no connection for heart disease. Heart disease is beyond that. So fat rather can clean the heart. Even Harvard University, they did a research, they found out that with the controlling the carbohydrate, controlling the sugar food, excessive or extra amount of fatty food actually control the heart disease. That slowly reduce the heart disease. So if you get a control with a carbohydrate consumption, processed food consumption, and sugar consumption, and with a healthy plant-based diet, with a healthy fat, that is the best food you can do to get a healthy fat. So we have got 3 suggestions for you. Number 1, plant-based diet. Number 2, stress-free life, healthy lifestyle. Number 3, you get healthy fat food with every meal, and of course you need to boost up your digestion. That's the best approach you can do for your health and to get rid of heart disease slowly. I hope all of you the best. Dr. Haque from Houston, Texas. If you like my video with evidence-based recommendation, feel free to share with others and let me know how you get benefited so that I can be motivated to make more video for you. Also, if you are new in my channel, please make sure subscribe and keep bell button on so you can get my all videos once I share with you. Thank you.